हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द यूएन कन्वेंशन ऑन द राइट्स ऑफ पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज़ 2006। द राइट्स बेस्ड मॉडल ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी कैन बी क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द UNCRPD 2006. This is an international human rights treaty of the United Nations intended to protect the rights and dignity of persons with disabilities. The rights model is primarily a fight for access to the privileged people would otherwise have had if they were not disabled. A focus on rights is not a struggle for fundamental social change, rather, it strives to make changes with the existing system. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and its optional protocol was adopted on 13 December 2006 at the United Nations headquarters in New York and was open for signatures on 30 March 2007. There was 82 signatories to convention, 44 signatories to the optional protocol and 1 ratification of the convention. This is the highest number of signatories in history to a UN convention on its opening day. It is the first comprehensive human rights treaty of the 21st century and is the first human rights convention to be open for signature by regional integration organizations. The convention entered into force on 3rd May 2008. The convention follows decades of work by the United Nations to change attitudes and approaches to persons with disabilities. It takes to a new height the movement from viewing persons with disabilities as object of charity, medical treatment and social protection towards viewing persons with disabilities as subject with rights who are capable of claiming those rights and making decisions for their lives based on their free and informed consent as well as being active member of the society. The convention is intended as a human rights instrument with an explicit social development dimensions as adopts a broad categorization of persons with disabilities and reaffirms that all persons with all types of disabilities must enjoy all human rights and fundamental freedoms. It clarifies and qualifies how all categories of rights apply to persons with disabilities and identifies areas where adaptation have to be made for persons with disabilities to effectively exercise their rights and areas where their rights have been violated and where protection of rights must be reinforced. There are 50 articles on this convention. I have mentioned there all the 50 articles. All articles mentioned in this video, but मैंने सभी को एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है. यहाँ पर आर्टिकल 1 एक्सप्लेन किया गया है जिसमें लिखा है इस कन्वेंशन का पर्पस क्या था. द पर्पस ऑफ द प्रेजेंट कन्वेंशन is to promote, protect and ensure the full and equal enjoyment of all human rights and fundamental freedoms by all persons with disabilities and to promote respect for their inherent dignity. Persons with disabilities include those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual or sensory impairments which in interaction with various barriers may hinder their full effective participation in society on an equal basis with others. आर्टिकल नंबर 3 इसमें इसके जनरल प्रिंसिपल्स मेंशन है कन्वेंशन के. फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इनहेरेंट डिग्निटी, इंडिविजुअल ऑटोनॉमी इंक्लूडिंग द फ्रीडम टू मेक one's own choices and independence of persons. Second is non-discrimination. Third is full and effective participation and inclusion in society. Fourth, respect for difference and acceptance of persons with disabilities as part of human diversity and humanity. Fifth is equality of opportunities. Number 6, accessibility. Number 7, equality between men and women. And last one is respect for the evolving capacities of children with disabilities and respect for the right of children with disabilities to preserve their identities. सो इस वीडियो में मैंने 2 आर्टिकल्स को डिस्क्राइब किया है जो कि स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एसेंशियल है। बाकी के जो आर्टिकल्स हैं वो ओरिजिनल कन्वेंशन में है, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। अगर किसी को 50 आर्टिकल्स कंप्लीट पढ़ने हैं इस कन्वेंशन के, तो आप वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके वहाँ से लिंक को क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं। बाकी मेरा वीडियो यहीं तक था, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इतना ही ज़रूरी है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। फॉर मोर वीडियोज़, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Thank you so much.